Imagine if we can create a common inventory system between retailer, distributor, government as well as customer, what we can do with this huge data. Then government can collect VAT and tax very smartly with real transparency. Distributor can collect order from retailer without sending any representative. Now distributor and manufacturer is spending a lot of money behind representative for collecting order. Then because every shopper connected with your platform, people can give order to their nearest shop. So we can give delivery within 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Also we can return the product within 5 to 10 minutes. Now every e-commerce company is spending a lot of money behind warehouse. So product price becoming increasing. But what we did, every small shop will become a warehouse. So you don't need to spend a lot of money behind warehouse. Then what will happen? You can sell the product in low price because you don't have any investment behind warehouse. What bank can do with these kinds of huge data? Bank actually then can know what is the real economical status of retailer, of distributor. So bank can finance those small retailer or distributor with real market financial data. We trying to explain with this huge data, if we can integrate all retailer in single platform, we can integrate distributor, we can integrate manufacturer in a single platform. With this real market data, we can create huge opportunity. So many stakeholders can take different kinds of opportunity from this market data. Now I am explaining TAM. We have 40 million family in our country. If every family is paid $50 per day, then they spend $450 per month. If they spend $450 per month, they spend $5,400 per year. If every family spend $5,400 per year, then our TAM size will be $218 billion per year, because whole retail market is our territory. That's why our TAM size will be $218 billion per year. If we can achieve 60% of market in next 10 years, our serviceable attainable market will be $131 billion per year. 3% of SAM in next 1 year, our SAM will be $4 billion in next year. If we can make only 5% profit, then our revenue will be $197 million per year. Let me explain BlueOnShop Limited team member. I am ATM Abdullah. I am a certified programmer. I have also KNX Home Automation Engineering certification. I involved with business since 2004. I am doing business from 2004 with good reputation. ASM Abdullah, he is our advisory board member. He involved with business such a long time. He has very good reputation in business in Bangladesh. Port Hub is our technology development partner. They are committed with us. We have agreement. Next 10 years, they will provide us all kinds of technological support. Thank you for watching.